thanks for watching. So today I am super excited. I recently teamed up with CONAIR to do a review on one of their most recent launches, and it is this one right here. It is called the CONAIR Bun to Done. This is actually not yet available, but it will be available very soon on QVC as an exclusive launch for the pre-holiday season, and then after that it'll be available in 2018. So I'm really excited to be able to show you guys the product and also do a tutorial for you guys. Now, I absolutely loved this. This is kind of like a 2-in-1 system. You can wear a bun, and then the next day you'll have like the most beautiful, perfect waves. So let me show you guys what comes inside and what it looks like, and then I also have for you guys a tutorial on 3 different looks using the rollers. So here is my Bun to Done machine, and it has 6 flexible heated wands, and 4 of them are in the size medium and 2 of them are large. Now, I really like these because they are super flexible. Every single wand has little tiny rubber dots that grip onto the hair, so that way you don't miss any of it, and it just grips on very nicely into the hair and it creates the perfect looking bun. These are super flexible, you guys. I love them. I also like that it is very slim and compact, perfect for travel, and it's not going to take too much space. I just plan on leaving mine right in my vanity. I think it's going to look perfect right there. Here's a close-up of the Bun to Done machine. As you can see, it is very compact and portable. Once you turn the on button, it only takes a few minutes for them to heat up. It features 6 flexible wands that are self-fastening and no clips are needed. 2 of them are long and 4 are medium, and you can use these to wrap all hair types. For this first hairstyle, I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail, and then I'm going to take the long wand and put it as close to the end as possible, and I'm going to begin by rolling it up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clip it in the back. I'm going to take these extra hairs and I'm going to wrap them around my bun, and here it is, my perfect and easy bun. For this other look, I'm going to do a side bun. I think these look super elegant. I'm going to make a pony right on the side, and I'm going to be taking the wand that is long. Next, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the ends of my hair and roll it up. I'm going to go ahead and clip it, and as you can see, it is super easy. I have a beautiful and easy side bun, and I love how beautiful it looks. For this other look, I still have my hair on the side, so I'm going to take a small section of it, and I'm going to take the medium wand. I'm going to begin by rolling it up all the way to the top, and then I'm going to clip it in to create a small, tiny bun. This one here looks super cute and very easy to do. For this last look, I have 2 ponies, and I'm using the medium wand. I'm going to go ahead and roll it up and clip it in. And as you can see, I have 2 buns now. It is super adorable. I love this look. What's perfect about the Bun to Done is that once you take them off, you'll have the perfect natural looking waves. So overall, this is a wonderful product. I would highly recommend it to anyone. You were able to see in the video how easy it is to use and how many styles you can create with this. I'm so happy that I have this now. I'm going to be creating so many different looks with it. I'm super excited. And like I said, it is perfect for travel, for carrying around. It's very nice, compact, and portable. I really hope you enjoyed my review and found it helpful. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!